Welcome again, class. This is the fifth class, and we all know we are doing the sum which I have given in my fourth class homework, which is sum number 4, index number. You have to calculate. I have completed sum number 4 as your classwork, and I have given you sum number 5 as your homework. So, in that sum, you have been asked to calculate all the formulas under one head, means Lasperi, Passy, Edgeworth Marshall, as well as Fisher's price index. So first of all, I will do this sum, then I will move on to doing my next part of my discussion. Okay, so here also item 3 item has been given, ABC. Base year price has been given 10, 5, 12. Base year quantity has been given 12, 8. Oh, sorry, base year price. Base year price is being given 12, 8, 10. 12, 8, 10. And current year base year quantity has been given 10, 5, 12. 10, 5, 12. Current year price has been given 15, 10, 12, 15, 10, 12, and current year quantity has been given 12, 10, 16. 12, 10, 16. So P and Q0. P and Q0 means 10 into 15 means 150. Okay. 5 into 10 means 50. Okay. 12 into 12 means 144. If you added up this 4, 4, carry 1, 344. P0 Q1 means 12 into 12 means 12 into 12 less 144. 8 into 10, 80. 16 into 10, 160. You added up 4, 8, 384. Okay. Next P and Qn. 15 into 12. It is 180. 10 into 10, 100. 12 into 16. It is 192. 2, 7, carry 1, 4, 472. And the last one P0 Q0. 12 into 10 means 120, 40 and 120. 0, 8, 280. Okay? So therefore, Lasperi Lasperi's index number is equal to summation of P and Q0 by summation of P0 Q0 into 100. I am just putting the formula. P and Q0 is 344. P0 Q0 is 280 into 100 means 344 divided by 280 into 100. It is 122.86. 122.86. Okay. Next is Passy. Passy's index number. What is that? Summation of P and Qn by summation of P0 Qn into 100. 472 by 384 into 100. It is coming 122.92. Now it's Edgeworth-Marshall. Edgeworth-Marshall index number. It is basically these two added, summation of Pn Q0 plus summation of Pn Qn divided by summation of P0 Q0 plus summation of P0 Qn into 100. Okay, this is basically the divided term. Means 344 plus 472 by 280 plus 384 into 100 is equal to 344 plus 472, 816 by 280 plus 384. It is coming 664 into 100. 816 by 664 into 100. It is coming 122.89. Okay, Edgeworth-Marshall. Now the last part is Fisher. Fisher's ideal index number. The same formula, but as everything is given, you just calculate Lasperi into Facility over. Lasperi you get 122.86 into Facility 122.92, which is the total result. 122.86 into 122.92. We are getting 122.89. 122.89. This is your answer of the first problem which I have given you. Now today's problem I will solve the how to find the x from this term. Suppose base year price, base year quantity given, current year quantity given, and suppose current year price is missing. That will be the x. How you can find out the term? By the given problem of Lasperi and Passy. The number has been provided, base year and current year, and the ratio of Lasperi and Passy's index number is been given, which is 28:27, which is sum number 6. So you have to calculate that. How you can calculate that, which I need to explain. Okay, so I am rubbing this part. Only the same part will be there, but the digits will change. Okay, the digits will change. So I am rubbing this portion only. There are two commodities, so C is not there. Right. A be given, base year price, base year quantity has been given. Base year price is 1, base year price for A and B, and quantity 10.5. 10.5. Current year price is given 2 and X. Current year quantity has been given 5. So this is sum number 6. As you can see, you have to calculate this x. Now P and Q0. Pn and Q0. 25x. P0 Qn. P0 Qn means 1 into 5 means 5. 1 into 2 means 2. PnQ0. PnQ0 20. Now PnQn, sorry. PnQn means 10 and 2x. And P0Q0 it's 10 and 5. You add it up, 20 plus 5x, 7, 10 plus 2x, 50. Therefore, Lasperi index number. What is the formula? Summation of PnQ0 by summation of P0Q0 into 100, right? This is the formula. And what we are getting, summation of PnQ0 is 20 plus 5x and P0Q0 is 7. P0Q0 is 15, sorry. 15. I'm really sorry for that. Into 100, okay? This is what Lasperi you are getting. Now passive. Summation of PnQn, summation of P0Qn into 100. PnQn is 10 plus 2x. P0Qn is 7 into 100. Okay? Now, by the problem, there has been given Lasperi is to passive is 28 is to 7. So by the problem, 20 plus 5x by 15 into 100 is to 10 plus 2x by 7 into 100 is equal to 28 is to 27. Okay? This you need to solve. This you need to solve. How you can solve it? You can cut 5 over here or 4 plus x by 3 is to 100 in Dila. 10 plus 2x by 7 is equal to 28 is to 27. Or just cross multiply, or 4 plus x by 3 into, just change it, 7 by 10 plus 2x is equal to 28 by 27. Okay? Okay? Now, or 4 plus x by 10 plus 2x is equal to it is 84. It is 1. If you do this, if you cross multiply this 3 with 28 means 84 by 189 means 7 into 27. Now, or 189 into 4, 189 into 4, 756. 756 plus 189x is equal to 840 plus 84 into 2, 168x. Okay. So, or 189x minus 168x is equal to 840 minus 756, or the 21x is equal to 840 minus 756, it is 84. I am considering over here, or x is equal to 84 by 21. We deduct 4, therefore x is equal to 4. Means the missing number over here is 4. In this way you can also calculate, find the value of x. This is the value of x, which is 4, right? This is the value of x, which is 4. I hope you all get this sum. It is easy. In my next class, I obviously provide you once or two sum for this homework. In my next class, I will be doing with simple average of price relative and weight average of price relative, and obviously I will be giving you few sums and homeworks. Okay. Thank you for the class. Have a nice day ahead.